Hi friends, welcome back our channel. Today we are going to Elsa from Farsa. Are you ready? Grab your pencil, eraser and color and let's get started. First, let's start Elsa face. Start by drawing an oval. This will be the shape of her head. Don't worry, it is not perfect. We can fix later. Great job! Now add line down the middle and other across the face. Next, let's dot her eyes. Make two almond shape on each side to line inside. Draw the circle for her iris and the smaller circle for her pupils. Don't forget to add little specky by drawing to thinly white on her eye. Next, let's draw her eye. Make two almond shape on each side of the line inside. Draw a circle for her iris and smaller circle for her pubs. Don't forget add the little specky by drawing a thinly white to hit her eyes. Now let's dot her nose. Just a small curve under the center line. For her mouth, draw a soft smile below the nose. For Elsa's beautiful hair, start by drawing her hairline around the top of her head. Then draw the following lines for her braid. Remember, Elsa's hair is long and magical, so have fun with it. Add a few smaller lines to show the structure of her hair. This Does it look amazing? Now time to outline our drawing. Use a black pen or marker to draw over the line. Be careful and take your time. Once it is outlined, erase the pencil marks. We have a fun part. Let's color Elsa. Use light blue for her dresses, yellow for her hair, and soft pink for her lips. You can also add some glitter if you want her so shine like to the moon. Wow, you did an amazing job. Look at your beautiful Elsa drawing. Don't forget to show your family and friends. Thank you for draw with me today. If you like this video, don't forget to give the thumbs up and subscribe for more fun drawing tutorials. See you next time. Bye bye.